In this video, we're on the hunt for a decent mono block option to award the title of Best Subwoofer Amp for those who like their audio and bass loud. Number 1, Most Popular. Boss Audio Systems R1100M Audio Subwoofer Amplifier. Our opening model is from the engineers at Boss, who know a thing or two about car speakers and audio, as they make some of the best-selling car audio speaker designs on the market. The Riot model amplifier is a single-channel mono subwoofer option designed specifically to feed your subwoofer. It's a high-output option capable of dealing 1100 watts of peak power at 2 ohms to your sub-bass speaker. It can also alternatively provide a 550-watt peak power level at 4 ohms instead, making it a versatile option in terms of application for your car. Number 2. MTX Audio TNP212D2 Terminator Power Pack Subwoofer System. Next, we have selected a subwoofer amplifier pairing that might save some of the hassles of finding compatible options separately, creating a perfect audio system. Hot off of the Terminator series line from MTX Audio, the TNP212D2 is a dual subwoofer for trunk mounting that comes with the right amp for the job. First, let's discuss the subs themselves. They are a well-manufactured pair of 12-inch speakers that have a hardy sealed enclosure, made from medium-density fiberboard and carpeted. They each handle 200 watts peak RMS power, totaling 400 max between them both. Number 3. Rockford Fosgate R500X1D Amplifier. The Rockford Fosgate is an affordable Class D model with a compact design that has been durably manufactured and well engineered to serve up a peak RMS of 500 watts at 2 ohms impedance or 300 watts at 4 ohms. It's MOSFET powered and has a strong cast aluminum heatsink to prevent overheating. This works hand in hand with its thermal sensing circuitry to provide overcurrent protection and short protection. This keeps the Rockford Fosgate amplifier impeccably efficient. This flexibility between the single channels allows it to suit a wider range of users. Number 4. Rockville DB14 4000W Car Audio Amp. The Rockville 4000 watt model is a great high-output solution that gives your subwoofer amplifier a real rumble. It's another MOSFET-powered option with a compact enclosure. This subwoofer amplifier is a high-performance model that provides up to 2000 watts over a single channel, with an impedance of 2 ohms or 1200 peak RMS over a 4 ohm line. It's a well-engineered D-class amplifier with high-quality optical couplers. It has full IC-controlled protection circuitry with the undervoltage protection set at 10 volts. Number 5. SoundStorm Laboratories Lopro 10 Amplified Car Subwoofer. Our last selection is something a little different and a fantastic solution as a car amplifier, where something that caters to a smaller space is needed. The Lopro 10 from SoundStorm is a slim-fit subwoofer that features its own built-in amplifier for one of the simplest installs out there. It has a MOSFET power supply to improve its performance by lowering its gate-to-drain feedback capacitance. It is well made. The subwoofer features a 12-inch speaker driver that has a great response. It is equipped with a low-pass filter to help direct the correct frequencies to your sub and create excellent car audio.
Thanks for watching the video.